Welcome partner. After you log in, this is the home panel where you are going to manage all the aspects of your business. In Partner Zone you can add all the information about your business which will be reflected in customer app all over India. You can add information like your activity type, which products are you specialized in, facilities at your service center and its location, etc. You can set your shop status open or close. This will be reflected in the customer app. You will not receive leads during the time when your shop status is closed. Business Processing Zone is where all of your customer leads will be handled. In Lead Bank you will receive customer leads. After opening any lead you need to click on Accept to view customer's name and contact number. When you accept any lead, desired amount will be deducted from your Big Cash. You can recharge your Big Cash through many online payment methods. After accepting the lead, enter required details and select Yes to create job sheet. A copy of job sheet will be mailed to the customer. Through job sheet section you can assign the calls to your technician. You can add or invite your technician in Technician Zone. When the job is finished, technician will notify you through his technician app. After completing the job, lead will move to billing section. Here you can generate customized invoice. When customer reaches to collect the repaired product, choose mode of payment in invoice section and confirm the delivery. Delivery section is where all the delivered leads are listed. You can also download their invoice in this section. Analytics contain your lead summary. If you have a user who wish to access Business Processing Zone, you can add them in Users section and give them credentials. Thank you for choosing BIGFIX.